We rolled out from Zope at the break of day. Morning light painting silver on.
Hola ragazzi, oggi vi portiamo con noi al Monte Penna. Facciamo prima il rifugio Venezia e poi saliamo al Monte Penna a quasi 2200 metri di quota. Quindi
Sì.
state con noi che sono posti meravigliosi.
Ok. Via.
Boots on the gravel, hearts running free, following the trails where the wild winds breathe. The pines stood tall like guardians of stone in the Veneto mountains. We were never alone. Every step a story, every ridge a sign of ancient peaks and a road beyond time. Oh, beneath Monte Penna, where the eagles fly, through the heart of the Dolomites, touching the sky, to Refugio Venezia, where the sunset glows. We carried our dreams where the mountain wind blows, with the Veneto trekking leading the way through valleys of gold and the fading day. Oh, beneath Monte Penna, I found my soul in the wild Veneto.
E stiamo arrivando alla croce.
Calling me.
E stiamo arrivando alla croce, che si vede bene.
The walls of rock burn red in the evening light. Refuge fire, stories fill the
Così
air.